Okay, Carol's back again, and I decided to do a flip cup or pour, dirty pour, flip cup, whatever you want to call it, on this canvas. I have a lot of leftover paints that I want to just get rid of, and I need a background canvas for something that I want to do, so this is a perfect timing. So I'm going to find my silicone. And tonight I'm going to use some treadmill silicone that I have. I don't think I've added any to my white. So I won't put any in my white. I'm not going to use all my gold, so I'll pour some in here. And I'll add some to my gold. I'll do, oh, that come out in the stream, so that's probably 2 or 3 drops. There's one big drop. A little bit of yellow left from my last pour. I got some burgundy color. 2 in there. And I've got some purple. This is going to be quite the flip cup, I think. Now, should I put black or just white? I think I'll just put white. I'm going to stick and make sure this is all the right consistency. That's pretty good. So pour some white in. And I think I'll do black, so I'm going to stir this up. And it stirred my silicone, but so most of this paint is Artist Loft and Folk Art. It's Folk Art Violet mixed with Zinsser and water, so it's 4 parts paint, 1 part Zinsser, and some water to get it to the right consistency. I use some yellow and stir this. I don't have a lot of yellow, so I'll just dump this right in. I hope you can see. Move it over here. Some green. Stir the silicone in. I'll make sure it's thin enough. That's pretty good. Wipe that off. And I'll stir my gold. I like adding gold to a lot of my pours. I'm talking and I don't even have my headphones in. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm in such a hurry. I hope you could hear me, but I didn't have these in my ears, so I hope you could hear some of it. I'm going to do a dirty pour. I'll just repeat a little bit just in case you didn't hear me. And I've got Artist Loft paint mixed with Zinsser and water. And I've put in some silicone, which is the treadmill silicone, a few drops in each of my colors. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the gold. You might have heard me, but maybe not as clearly. With this is better. Now I got some purple. So many things to think about. Get your gloves, get your headset on, get your stuff all organized. You got to be a little organized. This needs a little water. This was a spur of the moment one, so. All right. Okay, so now I'll start back with, I don't think I have any more yellow. Maybe a little bit I can squeeze out. I'll put some green in. I'll put in the red. Okay. Purple. And gold. And the rest white. Wow. That's quite the mixture I've got going in there. All right, I'll put some more white on top. And I think that is it. I think that's all the paint that I'm going to use. All right, so should I give it a little, I'll give it a little toss, or a little, and then I'll take this, just go like that. All right, here we go. Do, 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 do. That's quite colorful. Whoa. Put some on the corners to help it. over. All right. Wow, look at those cells. I don't even want to touch it. It looks so great. Well, I have to pour it, so I can't. Oh, those cells are big. I have to spread it around. Wow, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Huge cells. Quite a mess. I'm going to take my heat gun, see what happens. Oh, don't tell me it's not plugged in. There I go. Look at that. Wow. Lots of cells. That's quite amazing. Quite amazing. I'll hold it up so you can see. Oh no. I'm not having a good night. That's okay, it didn't hurt anything. Anyway, I'm going to show you. I hope you can hear me. I'm going to show you close up. Look at that. All right. Thanks for watching. I gotta go and clean off my earplugs because they fell in the paint. That is beautiful. I really think it makes a difference when paint sits for a while. Beautiful. All right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And I'll be back. Please subscribe. Thank you.